Digital models have profoundly transformed contemporary orthodontics by enabling more precise, predictable, and patient-specific treatment planning. The shift from plaster models and alginate impressions to technologies such as intraoral scanners, 3D printing, and simulation software has facilitated the acquisition of highly accurate three-dimensional representations of the dentoalveolar anatomy, optimizing every stage of treatment. Digitalization offers a detailed evaluation of the dental arches, promotes early detection of malocclusions, and allows dental movements to be planned with high precision. Tools such as computer-aided design and manufacturing, CAD/CAM, and additive manufacturing enable the agile and reliable creation of aligners, splints, and customized orthodontic devices. At the same time, digital models enhance communication between orthodontist, laboratory, and patient, thanks to the interoperability of standard files such as STL format. From an operational perspective, digital models eliminate the need for physical storage and significantly reduce the use of disposable materials, providing efficiency, sustainability, and traceability. Their integration with complementary technologies such as 3D radiology or guided surgical planning enables a more comprehensive and coordinated clinical approach. Together, these advances consolidate a new paradigm in orthodontics, characterized by precision, personalization, and continuous improvement of care quality. The implementation of digital models allows the orthodontist to base each decision on objective data, adapt to technological evolution, and respond more effectively to current clinical demands.